Tell me one good reason why I should try continuing to fight it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel at hopefully nakafocus ako ngayon. Ewan ko kung dito nakafocus o sa akin. Anyway, ayun, kakagaling ko lang ng Gilmore and binili ko itong GTX, Palit GTX 1660 Super Gaming OC, ay Gaming Pro OC pala. So first of all, sasabihin ko muna sa inyo kung bakit ito ang binili ko. So, dun sa video na ginawa ko nung namatay ang aking 1050 Ti na GTX 1070 ang bibilin ko. Walang sumasagot sa mga chinat ko sa Facebook Marketplace. May mga sumagot naman galing sa Tipid PC at Carousel.ph. Pero ang in-offer lang nila ay 1 week warranty. So, for the 1070 yun guys. And ayun, kahit good idea din naman na bumili ng 1070, especially for those in a budget, hindi kasi mapakaliisip kayo unless na lang kung bibigyan nila ako ng at least 1 month personal warranty. Pero yun again, madaming magandang deals sa Facebook Marketplace. Wala lang talagang sumasagot sa mga sellers doon. Eto na tayo ngayon. Kakagaling ko lang kanina ng Gilmore again. So actually, dapat hindi itong exact model ng 1660 Super ang bibiling ko. Palit pa din, pero yung Storm X nila, so single fan 1660 Super lang yon. 12,370 siya sa PC Hub as of making this video. Nung dumating ako doon, wala na. Actually, kahit anong model ng 1660 Super, wala na ang PC Hub. And magkakaroon daw sila by November 27. So, sa mga balak bumili ng 1660 Super sa PC Hub, November 27 pa magkakaroon. You're welcome. So, of course, I didn't want to go home empty-handed. And kailangan ko na talaga ng GPU mainly for my job. So, kaya ko naman magtiis ng hindi nag-games for a while, pero I need this for my job. So, binili ko to sa JDM Techno Store sa Gilmore din. So, naghanap-hanap ako doon, nakita ko yon. So, ayun, ito na nga tayo. So, this is a bit more expensive kumpara sa 1660 Super Storm X nila. So, ng palit. So, this again is the GamingPro OC edition. So, overclocked na siya right out of the factory. And nabili ko to for 12,900. So, malaki sana natipid ko, at least a little over 500 pesos sana natipid ko kung nabili ko yung Storm X edition neto sa PC Hub. Pero again, hindi pwede yun. And kung magiging masyadong mahaba yung intro na to, maglalagay ako ng timestamp sa description na to para mapunta na kayo sa unboxing and benchmarks neto. So, a few things besides dun sa dahilan ko kanina kung bakit hindi 1070 ang binili ko, a few things that led me to the 1660 Super. One is a bit of a big factor. So, this is using GDDR6 memory now. So compared sa older GDDR5 na ginagamit ng 1070, kailangan ko na siguro bumili ng bagong unboxing table. So again, compared sa older GDDR5 na gamit ng 1070, this is going to be way more power efficient compared, not siguro way, a bit more power efficient compared to the 1070, and I think should be better in the long run. So again, this is using GDDR6, 6 gigs of VRAM, and basically, parang 1070 na din to in terms of performance. Of course, in terms of raw power, lamang ang 1070. So I've been watching benchmark comparisons of this and a 1070, pretty much the same. So, and of course, kasama na din yung peace of mind when buying a new card, warranty, and all that such. So, parang ganito yung peace of mind ko. And siguro sa mga napapaisip kung bakit hindi 1660 Ti yung binili ko, overclock ko lang to ng konti. 1660 Ti na to. Ganun yan. So, basically, NVIDIA releasing this 1660 Super is like a slap sa mga bumili ng 1660 Ti. Yun na yun basically. And nga pala guys, magiging unboxing and quick few benchmarks lang to. Hindi to magiging full review. I'm going to be doing my full review once I've upgraded my system to Ryzen 5 2600. So kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video tungkol sa 1050 Ti ko nung namatay siya, ang pinakita ko yung aking first upgrade, which is the Ryzen 5 2600 motherboard at memory na lang kulang ko. So, ayun. And siguro guys, kung may katanungan kayo sa pagbili ko neto, just leave it down in the comments. Siguro yung matungkol sa warranty and such. Pricing neto, kumpara syempre sa mga malls, ganon. And this is one of the cheaper 1660 Super models out there. So, I would say, yeah, really good purchase. Good deal naman. I'll be doing my full review once na kompleto na yon. And yeah, let's get on with unboxing this. So here we are. technically, na-unbox na to. Chinek ko kanina, of course, sa JDM Tech Store, Techno Store. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys the unboxing experience of this nonetheless. So yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Sorry, iko. So here we have the quick installation guide. Don't really need that. And under this is, yes. And of course, sa mga gustong makalam ng specs neto, I'll just flash it right now. You guys can just pause. And yeah. Wait, check lang natin kung ano nasa ilalim neto. Of course, dandan sa paglapag. And wala naman. Walang CD and such. Pero yon. Yes, Palit. Yun yung ginagawa sa'yo kapag di ka na mahal. Pinapalitan ka. Ginagawa mo! Ayun, and the best part about unboxing, well, pretty much any PC gear. Ow! Bobo! Naputis. Okay, so medyo mahirap tanggalin yung plastic netong na to. Ay, nako. Hindi ko na ito napapakita na maayos yan. So, medyo mahirap, hard to get yung litik na plastic na ito. Pero yan, there we have it. Puro fingerprints ka na tuloy.
A few moments later.
Yun pa pala yung naging, mahirap na part sa unboxing na to. Pero yan, there we have it guys. The Palit GTX 1660 Super GamingPro OC. So, down here, we have two heat pipes. So, this is a plastic GPU cooler. I'm not sure if this lights up. I think it doesn't, pero yon. And there we have the single 8-pin connector, power connector, and of course, tatakpan ko ito. So at the back, we have a, I guess, plastic backplate, pero at least may backplate siya. Can't really complain. This is, again, one of the cheaper models ng 1660 Super, so ayun. And for ports, we have a single DisplayPort 1.4, single HDMI 2.0, and a dual-link DVI, if I'm not mistaken. So that's gonna do it for today guys. So bukas ko i-record yung mga quick benchmarks since na gabi na, and in-update ko pa actually yung Steam library ko para madami tayong mga matest na games. So kakabit ko muna to sa PC ko for now, and I will enjoy it and you guys will love it the next day. Hey guys, so day 2, umaga na ngayon. It's currently 7:45. So again guys, this is not a full review of the Palit GTX 1660 Super, but today we're gonna be doing a few quick benchmarks and actually live benchmark it. Pero basically yun yung mangyayari. And something that I wanted to show you guys real quick. So apparently meron pala siyang LED strip dun sa baba ng GeForce GTX na logo. So actually sana yung GeForce GTX na lang yung ginawa nilang umiilaw. Pero I'm not complaining, and so far I can't get it to ewan ko kung naiba yung kulay neto, pero I'll dive into that in a future video. So most likely yung full review ko neto once again I've upgraded my PC. So yun guys, for the quick benchmarks, so unahin natin is CSGO, and I have MSI Afterburner and Reba Tuner open in the background. Siguro lalakayan ko to ng konti. So obviously ginagamit ko yung camera ko ngayon to record the screen of my monitor. I won't be using any type of screen capture software to avoid any performance hit.
Later.
So ayun guys, welcome back. So disregard na natin yung first test, which is CSGO. Ewan ko ba kung iniisip ko nung sinama ko yon. Pero yun, so hindi ko nabanggit na we are running at 1080p, which is the resolution of my monitor. Alam ko mas maganda mag-test ng GPU performance sa higher resolution, pero yun lang yung meron ako ngayon, so pasensya. But of course, we're going to be doing our best to max out as much as we can the settings to make sure to avoid any CPU bottlenecking. So OpenGL tayo ngayon kasi nagka-problema ang MSI Afterburner at Reba Tuner sa Vulkan. Not sure why, pero yon. Ayoko sana may motion blur, pero ewan ko, nakaka-affect yun sa GPU performance. Pero ayun, film grain, ewan ko yan, nakirita ako dyan. Pero yun, we have pretty much maxed out the settings as much as we can. So yun, very amazing. So in terms of GPU and CPU usage, we are at pretty balanced among the two. Although mas okay sana kung ayun, na 99% natin yung GPU usage, but this will do for now. Again, gagawa ko ng mas maayos na benchmark once I've upgraded my PC. So we are at the mid 100, so 130 to 150. Umabot tayo ng 170 kanina. CPU usage nagiging 90%. So, but ayun, this is Doom, the 2016 Doom. And yun. So yun, we are averaging a very good 100 plus FPS. Nagdidip tayo sa, bumababa yung GPU usage natin dahil so obviously meron tayong situation ng CPU bottlenecking. Pero ayun, pretty good naman so far. Again, hindi naman to full review net or in-depth review ng GTX 1660 Super. Pero ayun, moving on to the next game kasi wala nang point to. We are averaging 90, umabot tayo na 99 sa CPU usage. GPU usage, hindi natin ma-max out. So, next game. At somehow guys, nirun ko kanina yung Destiny, hindi nag-show up yung statistics sa upper left natin. So, hindi ko sure, baka may compatibility issues yung Destiny 2 sa MSI Afterburner or RTSS, ewan ko. Pero yun, moving on to the next game, which is GTA 5. So again, I'll do what I can to reduce any type of CPU bottlenecking in the future. Again, once I've upgraded my system. But for now, quick benchmarks lang tayo ngayon. So yun guys, we are in GTA 5 and pretty much max out the settings. Motion blur, enough ko yan kasi nakikita ako doon. So let's test this out now without turning on MSAA. So for now, let's test it out. So right now we are averaging 100 high 90s to 100 FPS, low 90s pala, 200 FPS. Mapatak din tayo ng 80, low 80s. So very inconsistent. Again, CPU usage 90 plus. GPU usage natin 60% lang. So case na naman ito ng CPU bottlenecking, but again, this is just for quick benchmarks of the GTX 1660 Super. Let's do our best to stress out our GPU. So, yun. So we are at 100 CPU usage. Pero GPU usage is at 50, mid 50%. Umabot siya ng high 60s yung GPU usage. So at ngayon nag-average tayo na 60, high 50s, mid 60s. Very inconsistent na naman tayo. So I apologize guys, mainly has to do with my CPU. Pero next game na tayo, alala tayong pa pala dito. So again guys, last game is PUBG. Steam version po ito ng PUBG. And pretty much max out din tayo. So 1080p again. Ultra sharpen is enabled. VSync and motion blur are both off. And yeah, let's test this out in training mode. So para continuous naman yung gameplay natin, di tayo mapapatay kaagad, obviously. Run away, run in circle. So yun, we are in the game. So currently CPU usage 100, but good thing is nasa, well, kahit pa paano mataas GPU usage natin. So yun guys, we are at very inconsistent talaga ang frame rate natin. So we are at high 70s, 80s. Kanina nag-ano tayo, 100 FPS tayo kanina, pero ngayon ayun. So 90s ang CPU usage natin, umabot 99. GPU stable sa 80%, high 80% usage. So ayun, case na naman tayo ngayon ng CPU bottlenecking. So I apologize kung hindi maayos na benchmark ito, pero headshot ka. Pero yun, so yun, so far well, satisfactory naman ngayon. Pero yun, sana kahit papano nagkaroon kayo ng insight or ewan ko sa performance ng 1660 Super. Specifically ang Palit GTX 1660 Super GamingPro OC. So, hindi ko muna pala to overclock for now. Maybe in the long run or sa full review ko nito, gagawa ko ng stock performance sa tawag nun, OC performance. So yun guys, update ko kayo kapag makakagawa na ako ng full or in-depth review ng 1660 Super ko. And of course, kung gusto nyo bilhin to, I'll leave the links in the description. And like I said, hindi to full review, so wala sana akong makikitang pambabash dyan sa comments. Pero yun, leave a like if you did, dislike if you feel like you have to, consider subscribing if you're new to the channel, and turn on notifications to be updated on my latest videos. As always, bookmark and use my Lazada affiliate link if you're buying at Lazada. Like my Facebook page and follow me on Twitter for other updates and announcements. At syempre, donate to my PayPal also to support the channel. So yun, saya ako ngayon na nakabili ako kahit papano ng mid to higher end performing GPU. Pero yon, and mas masarap sa pakaramdam kasi I was able to buy this with my own money. So yung pinaghirapan ko, yung 1050 Ti ko kasi regalo siya sa akin ng ninang ko. Pero ayun, yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.